mother, she told me to leave him alone.
It hurts when I see you struggle. You come to me with ideas. You say that this piece is so impossible. Cause the shit out here is crazy. But you either getting lazy or you don't believe in you no more. Seems like your own opinions, that's when you conform. Can't make a decision. You keep questioning yourself, second guessing. And it's almost like you're begging for my help. Like